Well, everybody, the flex joint is toast. It's separated right here. Volkswagen Passat 2008 5.5 model V6. Come on. Everybody wants to see how great it is. Yeah, you can see it's broken, and I could tell that the passenger side has been replaced. So I guess it's time. I can get these on Amazon for under 20 bucks. Probably not with shipping and tax, but let's just say 30 bucks, shipping, tax, everything. And am I going to cut it out and replace it? Well, I'll tell you. If I had a lift, yes. So the answer is no, I don't have the lift yet. Getting the part and going to the shop. All right, now we're going to get in trouble. So I found this in the shop, something I bought a long time ago and didn't use. Apparently you take the roll out of this and you soak it in the water and then you wrap it. So I did order the proper flex part for my job, but it won't be here for who knows when it arrives. So in the meantime, I'm going to put this on and hopefully it deadens the noise from the exhaust leak on my flex joint. So this ought to be fun. Not. After I wrap the wet stuff, I'm supposed to peel the backing off of this and secure it around my problem. So I'll let you know how it goes. 10 seconds. Well, it's going to be in there longer than that. Getting on with it. Well, I was super skeptical. Well, I thought maybe the product was dried out, but I am extremely impressed. I mean, I was unrolling this and pulling as hard as I possibly could to stretch it around there. And now I'm about to put the foil tape to hold it on. And I think it's going to be quite quiet. So yeah, so far, very tough product. All right, now they say use this foil tape. And it's temporary or it's not temporary, but I'd say definitely temporary unless you completely can get it on there without it getting a little bit wet with the orange resin, which wasn't wet, but it did get my gloves a little slimy. So I'm not taking any chances. I wrapped it with wire a few times, which sounds like I can take the wire off later and the silver thing if I want. But I'm just going to leave the wire on there. Twisted it on, and I believe I'll have my new part. And as long as this thing doesn't stink, I'll just leave it on there. And then someday I'll get around to the exhaust shop thing. But I can tell already, I think it's going to make it back to being quiet. And we'll just see how long that lasts. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Someday it'll be like that nice stainless one over there again. We'll just see.